Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Mansoor Bilal and you are watching CGH Tutors. In today's topic, I will show you how you can set sequence and how you can set project in Premiere Pro 2017. So without wasting much more time, let's straight jump into the tutorial. So first I will click on start, then I will type Premiere Pro 2017, then I will press enter, then I will wait for it to open. It's a very simple tutorial. I will show you how you can set up project and how you can set up sequence. For the new project, you have to click on new project, then it will ask you the project name, location and video audio capturing device also. So for name I will say for tutorial, because I am making tutorial, then I need to choose the location. I will say tutorial, new folder 2, select OK. Then video rendering and playback, I need to choose one of them. If I am using graphic card, then I have to choose Mercury playback engine GPU acceleration CUDA, which is I am using. And for the time and a video code, I will leave this as a default value. For capturing device, I will say HDV if I have to capture something. That's it guys. It's asking you the project already exists, say yes. Your project is set up. Now you need to set up the sequence. For that you need to click on new and sequence, and it will give you a list of sequences and different presets. I am looking for 1920 by 1080 with 24 frame rate, which I found in red here. 1920 by 1080, you can see the exact frame rate here where I am selecting guys. You can see 1920 by 1080 with 25 frame rate. I will put the sequence name for tutorial and hit the enter. Now you also made sequence. Now the question is where I will put my videos. Here you can see this timeline. I will put my videos in this timeline. For that I need to import my videos. There are two ways to import your videos. First, go through your file section and import. Second, in the project section, double click here, so it will take you straight into your hard drive. So I will say I want to import these two videos. Open and paste it here by grabbing it and putting it here and leave it. It will ask you that you want to change your sequence into the video, you want to change your sequence according to the video, or you want to keep the sequence setting and want to adjust your video into the sequence setting. I will say keep existing sequence setting. So you can see guys, I made a new project and I made a new sequence and I successfully imported my video into the sequence. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Inshallah I will bring more tutorials for you guys, and please make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will get notifications. And thank you for watching my tutorial. Allah Hafiz.